Okay guys, in this tutorial we're going to be making a snake knot paracord cross. Okay, right here I have 2 feet of green paracord, green, and this is 2.5 inches, my lighter, measuring tape, and my scissors. So let's go ahead and start. So starting with the 2 feet paracord, we're going to tie about 3 snake knots. So as usual, the left goes over the right and back this way. Okay, the right goes behind and comes back into this loop here. So we're going to have a small loop just at the top there. So you pull both left side and right side. Okay, pull it nice and tight, like so. Okay, so this is our first snake knot. The second one, well, first of all, you have to make sure that the two ends are equal. So the second knot, left goes over the right, comes back, the right goes behind and into this loop here. You pull this down and make sure your cords don't twist in the process. So pull both left and right. Remember to hold the loop, then use your other hand to push the cords or the knots close to each other. So this is the first part. So we'll take our 2.5 feet paracord. I got it this time. Take this away. And now we'll tie about 6 snake knots. Okay, now the left goes over the right, left goes over the right and back this way. The right one goes behind and into the loop. You pull that through. Oh dear. Yeah. And then for this 2.5 feet, you want to make sure that your first knot is very close to the end. Okay, you don't want to form a loop here, just as close to the end as you can. Make that very nice and tight. Okay, so this is our first knot. Alright guys, so if you count this, we have 6 snake knots. Yeah, we're done with the 2 parts, so we'll make the cross now. This is the head. Spread the legs apart like this. Oops, did I say that? Just open it up like this. And then this goes this way. Okay, so we'll make snake knot here, 3 on each side. So like this. The left goes over the right and back this way. The right goes all the way behind and comes in through this hole right here. Okay, so that's what you want to do. If you see, we have this beautiful figure here. It looks like an 8. You can call it a diamond, whatever name you choose to call it. Make sure your knots are very close to each other. Okay. Yeah, so first knot is ready. So there we have it, our paracord cross. You can decide to put a bead in here. If you have a skull charm, you can put that in there as well. And then this can serve as a pendant for your paracord necklace. It can serve as a key holder for your car, for your house, you know. You can actually use this for a lot of stuff. So we'll just cut off the excess and singe it.